wanted to do a song that I learned when I watched your movie, Purple Rain. It was I Will Die For You. When that song played, it melted me. Not in this, in the way that you could melt a woman, but I melted literally into the palms of your hand. Musically, it was such a beautiful song, and I would love to try to do it justice. And I hope you like it. Thank you. I love you, Prince. We all do. And you'll never be forgotten. You've inspired me. I'm not a woman. I'm not a man. I'm something that you'll never understand. I'll never beat you. I'll never lie. And if you're evil, I'll forgive you by and by. 'Cause you, I will die for you. Darling, if you want me to, I will die for you. I'm not your lover, I'm not your friend. I am something that you'll never comprehend. I'll never worry, no need to cry. I'm your Messiah, and you're the reason why. 'Cause you, I will die for you. Oh, darling, if you want me to, I will die for you. Hey. Just a sinner, I am told. Be a fire when you're cold. Make you happy when you're sad. Make you good when you are bad. I'm your human, I'm a dove. I'm your conscience, I am love. All I really need is to know that you believe. I will die for you. Darling, if you want me to, Prince, you've been such an inspiration to me and so many people around me. It's sad that it takes a moment like this for us to realize and appreciate all that you have done for us. And I'm sure there's people that appreciated you throughout your lifespan, and I've appreciated you musically from the moment I heard Kiss. That was just... You kissed me, and you kissed my son. I have a video of my son just jamming out to you. You were influential and amazing and creative and inspiring, all of these amazing things, and so humbled. You never made anyone feel belittled or smaller. You did nothing but uplift the people and make them think consciously, and I value you so much for that, for your wisdom and all that you had to give to us, to inspire us and to make us want to be more for ourselves and for our community. And what you did to fight for your music was amazing. That was true strength. You used your wisdom, your knowledge to uphold a standing for what was right and what belonged to you, and you stood up and you fought against it and you won, and that was amazing. That inspired people to remember, don't just let yourself be someone else's puppet. Own yourself. Therefore, no one else can own you. And that is powerful. Thank you. 'Cause I will die for you. Darling, if you want me to, I will die for you.